Look at this, rounding off to the to a given decimal place. So if they ask you to round off it to the first decimal place or second decimal place, like that, they may ask a question. For an example, round off 3.74 to the nearest first decimal place. If you have a number like this, so you have say 3.74. so if you have a number like this, so if they ask you to make it to the round off to the nearest first decimal place, that means first decimal place is this, right? To make it to the first decimal place, so you should consider the second decimal place. You should consider this, consider the second decimal place, like we have in the previous one. If you want to make it to a whole number, you consider the first decimal place. So for an example, in this, right, if you want to make it to a whole number, right, to make it to a whole number, so what you do now, you should consider the first decimal place. So by looking at the first decimal place, if the first decimal place is after the mid value, if it is after the mid value, we consider to the next whole number 13, right? We consider the first decimal place. So in this, we should consider the second decimal place. If you when you want to make it to round off it to the nearest first decimal place, you should consider the second decimal place. If the second decimal place is more than 5, more than or equal to 5, right? Second decimal place is more than or equal to 5, right? You should go to the next number, right? So next number to the first decimal place, next number of first decimal place, right? If it is less than 5, second decimal place is less than 5, then you should go to the same number. In this example, if you consider, since it is 4 is less than 5, therefore we will have the same number to round off it. So rounding off the answer is going to be 3.7 only. It never get changed since it is less than 5. If it is more than 5, so we will add it. So for an example, so you have say 5.38. so this is more than 5. So therefore the answer you may get when you round off it to the first decimal number, the answer you get is 5. Since it is more than or equal to 5, equal also you can consider more than or equal to 5. So you should add 1 to this, the next number means 3 become 4, right? The answer for this is 3 become 4, right? Answer mean you should write it, right? Rounding off to the first decimal place. This is rounding off to the first decimal place. That's it. I have just put it in short as answer, but you write the sentence rounding off to the first decimal place. The answer is 3.7 here, and this is 5.4 since the second decimal place is more than 5. So consider, if it is more than or equal to 5, you will add 1 here. If it is less than or equal to 5, then you will put the same. Okay, you will write the same number. So keep that in mind. So if you want, you can take a short note from your book for this lesson, and all this number that say 3.5 or more than that, sorry, 5.35, 36, 37, 38, 39, all that you will consider it to 4, 5.4. So if it is less than 5.1, 5.31, 32, 33, 34, all that you will consider for 3 only, right? You will get 3 only. So right, when you have the second decimal number is more than 5 or equal to 5, you will add 1 here. So if it is less than 5, you will put the same, right? So we will see the next, we will see how to make it rounding off to the second decimal place.